Hi. Well, it's been an exhausting week and not a particularly profitable one. The outrage of the day is basically the fact that the market now waits for the Fed's decision on Wednesday of next week, today being the 11th. So that would make the decision the 16th. Everybody is unsure now. We've been promised an increase in rates for many years now. The rate increase was just around the corner. Here we are again, and it might have to be delayed, just temporarily, because the rate increase is right around the corner. And after a couple of years of this, you start to wonder, when does everybody say that the emperor has no clothes? These people are obviously winging it. If you're old enough to know academics, then you know that while they're experts within their narrow realm of academia, once they're exposed to the harsh realities of life, the models and theories are often revealed to be missing just one or two key details. Alan Greenspan is famous for saying that he was shocked that his model didn't work, and chagrined, he would almost have added. But here we are waiting once again for these ivory tower academics. I can't think of a stronger word to describe someone who is an expert in theory and assumes that practice will always follow that theory. It doesn't, but so far the world seems to believe in their efforts, and nobody's calling BS on their continual delay of the lifting of the state of emergency. Keep in mind, this is an emergency rate. It's been going on for what, since '09? We're coming on 7 years of an emergency. Crazy. Anyway, summing up the week, I'll activate this cursor here. I don't know if it stays active. I'll go back to the hourly. So you can see the week begins, we plunge 100 points, we make it back to Ansh. So we started at about 16.1, immediately dropped to 16. I usually, or have been taping the live opening. You can see it happen, and if you look back on that day, which would be the 13-7, the 6th. In any case, stock market meandered higher all week, made a good move Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, made a high, failed dramatically, but here we are back past the midpoint of that rally. The long trend line that you see goes back to this graph chart that encompasses the crash of the 24th. And you can see that prices had been pretty well constrained by that. Even if you look at today's detail, you can see that except for this bull trap, if you will, prices were held back by that line. And it looked as if we would test back down. We did not. We've gone higher. I have no position at this point. Anything is possible with this price action. The stock market, as I said, has gone from 16.1 to 16.440, which is a 350-point rally. It was 250 points higher. Certainly it would not be unexpected if there was an announcement this weekend that central banks around the world were going to be acting in a coordinated fashion to save their equity markets. So with that in mind, I still know that the fundamental facts will eventually impact the fan, but the kicking of the fan down the road has delayed that impact yet again, it appears. Since I'm going on record here with the Dow basically up 1,200 points from its low of the 24th, I'm not as certain that short-term the direction is down, although I cannot imagine what rabbit could be pulled out of the hat to save us this time. In any case, best of luck. It's been difficult out there, and I wish you a happy weekend. Take care.